Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the management of this HPLC from Waters LC Model 1 Plus from IE-488 external connection with a computer and Millennium software to an internal management of this whole system. So you can use it without any external resource. So I found this HPLC that was used or was connected to an external software, an old PC running on Windows 2000 and a Millennium 32 version 4.00 software. But we don't have access to that computer now, so we have to change the control of the system to be all in here, in this display. So watch out. Once we switch on this, and remember, you have to use the internal UV detector. You can check in the other video how to do that. Once you have done that, you have this calibrated, and this should be also calibrated, so it's a sign that the system is working. We have to do the following. Those buttons in here in the display, these down buttons, doesn't work at all. If I press them, nothing changes. And that's because all the management of this goes through an external device. So those cannot be used. We're going to change that and activate those buttons. For that, we have to select, well, these options in here are selected by these buttons in here, not the lower ones, those. So we can select in here, 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 here. Okay, if I select util page, it says, hey, we are using external. If you want to go ahead, continue, but watch out because you are in an external control mode. Okay, if we go continue, we say, okay, we have this. I don't know if you can check all the options in the screen, but in this, using this setup, you cannot choose the volume that you want to take from the injector. And there are so many options that you cannot use. Well, the flow, you can use it, and taking from different bottles and the percent of each one, you can use it too. You get the pressure, and you can also deactivate the lamp, and you can choose also the wavelength of the lamp, and also you will see in here all the absorption that comes from the lamp. Once you put all the system with the flow thing. Okay. I can say start, stop flow. Well, in fact, it's not even running, so auto zero. Okay, so if I want to go to the previous page, I say start page. Okay, I have shown you this util page. Let's go to this, to more. In more, we see system conf and oh, sorry, let's go. No, I don't want to go there. System config, you are moving outside, okay, continue. And it says, okay, you have the internal UV lamp, nothing in here, nothing in here. Auto injector is this one, it says internal, and the pump is internal, okay, return. That's all the info that we can get. Again, we go to the home page, let's say, and I said more, but I want to go to DX now. In DX, again, you are moving to external. You have main diagnosis, one customer or service diagnostic. Let's say I can press in here enter, I guess. If I say enter, maybe we can check for the pump. Oh, keyboard. Honestly, I didn't test these things. Let's say 1. Press enter to exit page. It's just to check all the things. Return or exit. Okay, let's return, and let's exit. It's like to check that all the things are working in here. I set the act again, continue again, and we move to number 2. So in the number pad I set 2. Let's press enter. Type 4-digit code. Honestly, I don't have them right here. Well, maybe. Yeah, maybe I have somewhere, but well, that's not something for this video. So return. And let's go to what I want. Well, just the help thing says this. This page displays whatever. And in here it says return. Let's return. In every page that you came, you have a help. And if you press, it will tell you something about this page that you are in, okay? So it changes, the help thing changes in every page that you reach. But let's go to more. And in here, I have shown you previously this system config. Let's go to pump config, okay? Well, there's even more. No, those, okay, because we have already done this and this. That more goes to the previous steps. Let's go to the pump config. This is where I wanted to go. It says again, we are leaving. Yes, okay. And in here, it says, okay, you're using an external control for the another device, a PC. Pump head volume, whatever, host link, the print, if you want to plug a print in here, and all these things that I'm not going to touch. But this is the most important thing. Unit type external, no, we don't want to. So if I press help in here, it say, hey, if you put 0 and enter, you are an external. If you put 1, you got the system controller. Okay, return. And now let's press 1 plus enter, and boom, system controller. Once you have done this, you have to say, if you say cancel, you go nowhere. Let's go to the other page, but I have to say configure. It's like saving this. Configure, and it's like restarting, rebooting the system, but now it changed. Now it's system controller in here. We have to stop, to wait. Please wait, initially system. And now this is the main page that we have. Once you restart, revision, date, diagnosis, and this is the most important thing, system controller. So now you can press any function key. You can press any of these keys in here. I don't know if they are, you can, okay. Set up, direct, operating method, program method, or program table. Let's go to direct. And now, as you can see, this works, those buttons. And now in direct, you have which BL you are going to take from this BL to this BL, injection and injection volume, I guess in microliters, and all the other options that we have seen before. And that's all. So I guess that if I press help, okay, now that I have selected flow, go from this to this. Let's return, let's check. This is what I wanted to check. Now we have it this. Let's say help, manual injection, purge, equilibrate. Oh, that's pretty cool. So now I have to, okay, let's check all these options. And okay, I finished this video now.